for 2018. Driven haze lights, LED headlights, and iDrive 6.0 are presently standard highlights on the 3 Series lineup. The M Sport package is presently accessible with 19-inch haggles, new aluminum dark carbon trim with pearl gloss chrome feature. New accessible gear incorporates a Shadow Sport Uncommon Release bundle, 18-inch bi-shading jet black wheels, kidney grille outline in polished dark, LED headlights with dark embed and darker taillights, aluminum dark carbon trim with pearl gloss chrome features, another sport calfskin guiding wheel, sunset orange metallic paint, and Cognac Brown Dakota cowhide. Vehicle summary. The 3 Series is BMW's most moderate car situated beneath the bigger 5 and 7 Series cars. The 3 Series is additionally offered in Gran Turismo, hatchback, and wagon body styles. When representing the whole auto lineup, the 3 Series spaces over the 2 Series, however underneath the 4 Series lineup in cost. The 4 Series contain the car, convertible, and roadster-like 4-entryway variations of the 3 Series models.